In this video, we will explore how users can find a specific movie by its name and display its details. We will also cover how to view all movies currently in the watchlist. These features will make our movie watchlist more interactive and user-friendly. First, let's create a function that allows user to search for a movie by its name. Here's how you can implement it. Function find movie by name with parameter name, and const movie is movie watchlist find a movie where movie title, 2 lowercase, is equal name 2 lowercase. And here we used 2 lowercase to make the search case insensitive, so users don't need to match the exact case when searching. And if movie is not found, let's console log movie not found and return. And else, let's console log title, genre, year, rating, and watched flag. And remember, you can use the escape character in the string to print on new lines. Let's test the find movie by name function. Find movie by name, the which, returns the result, and find movie by name, non-existent movie, console logs movie not found. Next, let's create a function that allows users to view all the movies in the watchlist. This function will iterate through the movie watchlist array and display each movie details. Function view all movies, and if movie watchlist length is 0, let's console log the watchlist is empty and return. For let movie of movie watchlist, let's console log the movie details. Now, I noticed that both the view all movies and find movie by name functions will use similar logic to display movie details. Anytime you notice the same code in multiple places, it's a good practice to encapsulate that code in a separate function. So function print movie details with parameter movie, and if not movie, let's console log no movie data and return, and otherwise, let's print movie details. Now, let's refactor both functions to use print movie details. So in find movie by name function, instead of console log, let's print movie details with argument movie and return movie. And in the function view all movies, for each movie, let's also print movie details with an argument movie. Let's test how everything works together. Find movie by name, the which, returns the result. Find movie by name, non-existent movie, returns movie not found. And view all movies prints the details of all movies. This will display all the movies currently in the watchlist with their details.